This is one of my oldest trailers. We had it on sale. It's my only new 2017 and it's sold. We sold it today. So if you come here and it's still here, that will mean the sale fell through, but it's not going to. It's got heritage blue siding, white windows, white trim. Suggested retail was almost $64,000. Heading on in here, you've got everything in it stays in it. 2 sleeper sofas, nice rocker recliner, fireplace, RCA home entertainment system, hutch. It's a double loft. You've got stainless steel appliances, 5-burner range, convection microwave, stainless sink, 56,000 BTU furnace, house type rear entry door, linoleum on the entire main floor, carpet only allowed in the master bedroom. Heading upstairs to take a quick look at the loft. Here's what you got. I love this trailer. This is the 40MLFD Kelly style. It's the only place you can get them. How's that loft, man? It's got a big one. Okay. Heading on down. We're going to take a look at the bathroom. I got the fisheye lens on, hoping we can see what's in here. It's pretty dark, so it's hard to see. Oh yeah. It's not too bad when I'm not blocking the light. You got a toilet. You've got a tub and shower with the linen closet behind it. Over here you have a mirrored vanity. Storage in there. Sink. Storage underneath. Okay. That's it for my down and dirty tour of the Quailridge 40MLFD Kelly style. Hope you all have a great day.